Alright, so what we're going to do next, we got some old pallets out in the garage. We're going to clean them up and make a wood shelf for the top of this. So the first step in this project is to measure. Now I'm not going to provide you with my measurements because your rack could be different. Alright, so these are the pallets that we talked about earlier that we were going to use for the project, but instead we did find some white paneling board that we're going to use instead. Alright, so these are the garage find of the white panel boards we're going to be using. Alright, so we're going to cut them up, glue them together, and make a topper out of it. Alright, so we got to measure. Alright, so we made our cuts, and now we're just going to lay them out to the width of what our table is going to be, or our top's going to be. So we're going to glue in between, clamp them, let them sit, and then we're going to stand them so that they are perfectly even. Okay, disclosure, don't work with power tools while you're barefoot. But okay, so we already, okay, so we marked the holes where we're going to put the bolts, and now we're just going to drill. Hopefully those are straight. So we got a nice new topper for this StarTech. Not perfect, but that'll do. We did it! Alright, so we got a nice new topper for this, what's it called? Alright.